Here I have INFINIX Smart 7, and today I'm going to show you how to enter FastBoot mode on this device. To do it, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then hold power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, hold down power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. In the following screen, like when you see this XOS and no command message under it, hold down power key and press volume up once. And in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the third option, enter FastBoot. And after that you will end up in the FastBoot mode. So here, just like in the previous, you can navigate using volume keys and select using power key. And you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.